Welcome back to Teacher Look class, and this is a discussion for the booklet 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept. And now we're discussing for the proportion concept, type 3. I wish I name it as what for what. Okay, so let's look at this question. Here says that 3 hamster toys for $50. Let me just put here hamster. I know this hamster is 3 for $50. And 4S for $62. Now, Linda bought an equal number of hamster toys. Now, very key word here is that equal number of hamster toys. It means that these 3 and these 4 are supposed to be an equal number. Okay? So now let's try to make it equal. Of course, to make it equal, always we're referring back to the LCM. 3 and 4, the LCM is actually 12. So we need to times 4 here, we need to times 3 here. And the same thing, if you times 4 here, you times 4 here. If you times 3 here, you times 3 here. So it will be 12 is equivalent to $200. 12 is equal to $186. Now, let's continue to read the question. He said that she spent $182 less on heirs than on hamster. Means that hamster have more than heirs, okay, basically. And let's minus 200 minus 186 is what? It's 14 only. But here is what? $182. But this is $14. Means that there's a multiple times actually he doesn't have. So we just use 182 divide by 14, and we know that actually it's 13, right? So we know that it's actually 13 times of that 12. Okay, 13 times of that 12. Okay, so we know it's 13 sets of 12. But again, I know that this 12 is not what, this is not given the price, right? Or I should say that it's 13 sets of 12. I know 12 is what? $186. $186. So I will use 13 times 186. So 13 times 186, if you press on calculator, 13 times 186, that will be actually equal to 2418. And that is basically the final answer. Okay, so basically a lot of questions about this will be using the same way of solving it. So you better need to remember it, okay? And for algebra, let me try not to discuss it so that you're not confused, because actually it's quite easy, but just don't want you to confuse. Okay. So that's all for my part in discussing this question. You can learn something. See you. Bye bye.